Hi everybody, and welcome to General Mechanic. Right, I've got an interesting one for you today. I'm going to show you how to remove a car tyre at home without having to go to the wheel shop. That's my cat, by the way. And this is going to be done on the cheap. You can skip this step if you want, if you're refurbing your wheels. There are some companies out there that will just pop the bead off the tyre, do its thing, and put the tyre back on the bead. But these tyres are I've had it now, so I'm going to remove them completely from the wheel. So I will show you the steps of how to do it. You can do this with your car. I'm doing it with my crash damage red one at the moment, just because it's there on the drive. But you're going to need one car, you're going to need one hammer, and you're going to need a crowbar, and you're going to need a flatter version of the crowbar. I call these jimmies. These were both from Proper Job. This one was $2.99, this one was $3.99. The hammer there was $1.99 from Proper Job. So far I've got hardly any money into it. Still works out keeping going to the Proper Job. So join me now. We'll have a go at breaking the bead on the tyre. First things first, make sure you let the air out of the tyre. I have a sleeve here. You can just press a little bit. To break the bead first time, second time. It's been a bit of trial and error really on my part, how to do it. I've watched several different YouTubers themselves doing it, and they all have different ways of doing it. Mine uses the car, just because it's the heaviest thing that I've got in your car. Unfortunately mine is quite small around anyway. Subframe 6 feet of wood. So I'm going to do it now. The wood. feed now. Hopefully on this go. That's it, got it now. It's taking a while to work out the best way of doing it. Soaking the beef now. What you're going to want to do is by just move the camera around. A little bit. You're going to want to take your hammer now. When you're trying to put your crowbar in, try and get it in on an angle like that and pull back like that, because if it springs back it's going to hit you and it's going to hit you hard. Okay, so we've now got the top part done. Now we bring back. Just turn you around so you can see. we have to do is do it with 2 pieces, just so I can stop it from bending in, I think. Just a minute. Right. Okay. Right, okay. Just going to put you guys on hold just while I try and break the speed a minute. Hi everybody, welcome back. Right, managed to break the bead. It was my fault, I didn't have the wood in the right position. So I'm now going to show you how we can get the rim out of the tyre now. What you want to do, grabbing your crowbar, pull up on the rim now like this. Just the place for the crowbar to go into. Try and pull tight up. Pull back. Take a minute to get this back. Hold on to the crowbar, then get the hammer while pulling up on the crowbar, hit the tyre with the hammer. So it doesn't always work first time. Keep persevering at it. Again. Well, 2 then. I'm just going to give it a bit more of a hand. I'm going to lift that up like so. Get your bar back in. That's it. Right, that should go now. It doesn't go first time. Don't be alarmed, just keep working at it. And then eventually you hit it hard enough with your hammer, should come out just like that. And that is how you remove a tyre from a rim at home with no professional tools. This is General Mechanic signing off.